That's how it looks, guys, compacted in there. Looks like we're gonna be doing a lot of work on this one. All right, guys, we got a work cut out for us on this one. Real quick, the front tire, you have this is the seat post, stem of the handlebars. We got the rear fender, we got the front fender, we got the rack, we have the front seat, we got the kickstand, this is the front axle. You got left, righty, lefty tighty, righty tighty, the toolkit, the AC power supply. So there you go, guys. Looks like we're gonna have to do some assembling here. All right, guys, let's do the handlebars. You put the stem in. Just careful when you put it in. This part right here is facing correctly so that when you tighten these down that you have it the right space. What you do is you unloosen this right here. There's the bolt that we're gonna tighten down first. All right, we get the Allen wrench right here. It's the largest Allen wrench that comes in the package. When you're tightening it, hold that bar like that so it doesn't move to your left. All right, guys, there we go. It's nice and straight right here, going, what's that, 12 o'clock? 2 hex screws, got to tighten up, loosen them up, put the handlebars on. Comes with this product, it's pretty good. So, got the screws off, got the bracket off. And when you put the bracket on, with your hand tighten them. Nice and tight, centered. And let's go ahead and put the seat on now so we can turn this thing upside down. Let's grab the seat. Grab the hardware for the seat. See how it's got little gears inside there? That goes on the outside, and the little one goes in the inside. See how this sits on this bar right here? The same thing with this. This is the way it's going to end up sitting so that you can adjust your seat back and forth. Now, you're going to pull this up so that you can get the seat straight up vertically so that you can pull the back of the battery out, right? All right, so now it's on there. See how I had to do that? Now you can slide this thing back and forth. All right, so we got that on. Hopefully this bolt there goes through, and hopefully they all align. When this. Go ahead and put it together for you, but this is not that difficult, guys. And check out the website. They go over users' instructions on how to do this. Let's go ahead and put it on the bike. Remember, this is how you tighten it right here, guys. Okay, we got to get on the drum. All right, let's put the bolts on. We got 6 Loctite bolts. Got the drum brake. Let's put them on here. Hand tighten them on there first. Very important to get those on there right. Okay, guys, comes with the toolkit. Tighten them up. Okay, as always, guys. And then you got your Loctite axle, guys, right here. Comes in the box. We're going to take this end off, just like the other ones, guys. No difference. And you got your little spring right here. All right, guys, front tire's on. Remember, the test is to spin it. Make sure it spins all. All right, let's put the kickstand on. Bolts should already be attached to the kickstand, guys. There you go, guys. Kickstand. Bang. All right, let's put the rear fender on, guys. You got a bolt here, and you got a bolt here. Those got to come out. Here's one. All right, we got 3 bolts. We got the back fender on. Let's put on the front fender. Here we go. Well, guys, got a couple of screws there. Headlight ready because the headlight goes on with it. There's one, two. Put on the pedals. Righty tighty, lefty tighty. Lefty, righty. Oh yeah, nice and tight, guys, nice and tight. Oh yeah, pedals, boom. All right, let's do the rear cargo. I'm gonna take those two out there and those two out there, and I'll be back. There we go, nice and tight. There's your blue and blue, it's the back light. Make sure that these line up properly. The handlebars on, we got the tire on, we got the lights on, the fenders on, they got the back cargo rack on, front, left, right pedals, and then the seat, or the saddle as they call it in Europe, I think. All right, guys, let's put the battery in. It's got a little latch back here. Push this up. This track right here goes on that track right there. Lock, on, off, and then on. Charging port right there. Then you have a plug, which, believe it or not, you turn the battery on with. So you plug that in right there. All right, guys, let's go with the charging. Obviously, you have your AC power supply that comes with in the box with the bike. There's your information on the power supply if you want to go ahead and pause that. This end right here plugs into the bike. The end goes into the AC power supply or the AC wall outlet. Boom. That's how you power it up. It's charging. When the box is in red, that means it's charging. When the little red light turns green, that means it's charged up. What do you think, Santiago? Is he okay? Well, there you go, guys. The Sohamo S3 lightweight frame. It is a 750 watt brushless motor. It has rear and front mechanical disc brakes. It has a fender on the front, a fender on the rear. It has a 300-pound cargo rack capacity. That's what it says. It has a adjustable seat. It has a 48-volt battery. It has obviously your right and left pedals that also fold up. It has 20 inch by 3 front and rear nub tires. The LED front and right hand brakes. It has the 7-speed Shimano gears. Has your little LED display, adjustable handlebars up and down, folding for the handlebars, and then the folding for the bike itself. The handlebars, guys, there's your little throttle right there. LED, guys. You got your power button and you got your mode button right here. You hold down the power button for a couple of seconds. You got your power of your battery right now. It says it's got 3 bars. You have your miles per hour. You have your pedal assist. The only one it has is it goes up 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then back to 0, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and back to 0. When it's in 0, the throttle does not work. Be careful with that. When it's in pedal assist 1 is when the throttle works. And then you have your miles per hour here. You have your mode. It's in trip mode now. To change that from trip, you take the mode button, hold it down, and it changes to odometer. You see that? And then you hold it down again, and it goes back to trip. The power button and the mode button at the same time, and it will shift into the power modes. Check the user's guide out to change this. I don't touch this thing. I wouldn't mess with it. There's a bunch of different parameters that you can go. I think there's up to 12, 13 parameters. And so I would suggest you look at the user's manual before you mess with that. But there's your LED, guys. Sohamo S3. Beautiful bike. All right, guys, let's take the Sohamo S3 for a ride. Oh yeah, she's cruising. Handlebars are pretty narrow, guys. Not as wide as you think it is. So if you're one of those app delivery people, you're gonna like this. You can get in between the cars. It's very narrow. I mean, the seat's nice and comfortable so far. Pedaling is easy, up and down. I don't know if this would be for anybody over 6 feet tall. I'm 5'9", 5'9 and a half maybe on a good day. Pedals real good. I'm in 1, 2, 10 miles an hour and 2. We got 8 miles an hour. Let's put up a 3. Boy, she just scoops. Make sure you're holding on, guys, when you go in there. She came out at 3. She's in 3 now, and I'm doing about 15. I'm more of a 2 guy. Oh yeah, very cruising, nice cruise. Nice and cruisy here. Nice little horn. Got your Shimano gears. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Then back up again. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And 7, guys, is pretty much where you want to keep it. On the street here and see what we can do. San Diego Amtrak, all the way to San Diego. That way, LA, guys. I like this town. They put on. Check out what they do to their electrical boxes. How cool is that, right? Richard Dana Jr. That's the guy they named the point after. Actually, let's put it in 5. And let's hit the thumb, just the thumb drive. All right? Just the thumb throttle, not the thumb drive. Throttle. Okay. 20, 21, 22. I mean, it's comfortable. Like I said, this could be a good app bike for guys delivering, you know. It's got mostly has up to 60-mile distance, and I'm getting up to 23 max right now, guys. But they say that let's pedal it and see what we get. I'm in 5. I'm in 5 right now, and I'm ghost pedaling, guys. Yeah, that's not too cool. I'm ghost pedaling. That means that you're just pedaling. You just might as well not pedal unless you just want to move your legs around. And it's moving along pretty good here, I'm telling you. Another thing, guys, that I like about this, the area around here, I don't mind it being so narrow because I'm not, like I said, not a bigger guy. Handlebars are perfect. I don't have to lean on my arms. But again, like I mentioned, you can adjust the handlebars up and down with this little latch right here. Unhook it, let it down, let it all the way up, depending on your height. Seat, same thing. you go, guys. The Sohamo S3 48 volt 750 watt motor, 48 volt battery, foldable bike, lightweight, adjustable handlebars, adjustable seat, 300-pound cargo rack. We got front, rear mechanical disc brakes, and let me tell you guys, very comfortable ride. One of the least expensive e-bikes that are out there right now, guys, so take advantage of it if you can, please. And as usual, guys, let me know what you think about this video and about the bike. Let me know when you're going to be buying up or picking up yours. So if you need any information about the Sohamo S3, please check out their website. Please check out the info in the description of this video. And guys, please comment. Let me know what you think. And if you need to get a hold of Sohamo, just go to their website. Like I said in the description of this video, we got all the information. We got the discounts and all that good stuff. So thanks again to my subscribers, my viewers. I appreciate you watching. And please, again, comment on this video. Have a great day.